The new Outback has evolved at every level in order to be a car that further enriches people's lives. In order to achieve a stress-free driving experience that all passengers can enjoy in comfort, we not only redesigned the car, the manufacturing method was completely renewed and the vehicle construction was refurbished from its very base. We thoroughly refined the body structure and improved rigidity at every level. As a result, we managed to achieve a comfortable ride, straight-line stability at high speeds, cabin quietness, and high collision safety performance. The Outback has evolved into a car that will make you want to drive longer distances and have deeper conversations. But how did this evolution come about? Developing a car requires a high degree of coordination between the design, testing, and manufacturing departments. However, at Subaru, we are united by something greater, the idea that we are all Team Subaru. Testing must meet the expectations of design, and manufacturing gives shape to the very best results from design and testing. The evolution of the Outback was achieved because we are a team. Our team members will discuss their thoughts behind this evolution. First up is body design. The design concept was to use a full inner frame structure for the upper body, based on the well-developed Subaru global platform, and maximize the redesigned vehicle's potential in order to achieve a variety of performance improvements. In the full inner frame structure, we achieve a construction method that welds the outer panels on after the entire body framework is securely assembled to the platform, rather than the conventional method of assembling the upper and lower bodies separately. Being able to firmly attach more frames to the body that we were once unable to connect made it possible to add more structural elements and increase the continuity of the vehicle frame. This construction method has allowed us to add a stronger ring-shaped frame that envelops the back seat passengers. In particular, the fact that the ring-shaped reinforcement frame and each of its pillars are firmly connected to this side structure ring has increased the rigidity level of the body structure. We have also adopted a floor crossmember filled with a two-component foam material to further increase rigidity. This also greatly reduces floor vibration. The use of structural adhesive over a significantly expanded area works to reduce cabin vibrations and noise. When a design that has been carefully thought out from every angle finally takes shape, will it perform as intended? It is testing's duty to thoroughly inspect total vehicle performance. Increasing the level of body structure rigidity increases performance on various levels. Not only does improved strength of the body structure improve collision safety and durability, it enhances dynamic feel. This is because increased rigidity limits body torsion, which reduces any unnecessary sway or vibration, allowing the suspension to perform as it was designed to. In order to prove this, we repeated test after test comprehensively, enhanced body rigidity, and advanced the suspension assembly method, which has led to even smoother motion. Roll has also been reduced when cornering, stability improved, and the road's surface shock on steering has been reduced, resulting in a comfortable ride. The use of sound insulation materials have created a cabin that is so quiet, conversations can be held with ease even at high speeds. So what is required of manufacturing in order to produce that polished performance in each and every completed vehicle? What awaited was a great challenge. In order to reproduce the refined performance perfected by design and testing in each completed vehicle, we had to completely renew our production line, in order to incorporate the full inner frame structure. That was a massive challenge for production. However, this challenge led to an evolved production line able to produce unprecedented body rigidity, such as the ability to make a large number of spot welds sandwiching the structural elements with electrodes on both sides. Changing the production line meant a review of equipment, processing order, layout, and staffing. But everyone came together as a team to review the process from every angle, leading to an optimized process and flow. Every finished vehicle that comes off of this production line is a new Outback that Subaru takes great pride in offering. The new Outback was renewed down to its very structure. This evolution was only achieved because Subaru worked as a team. How can we achieve the performance we seek? Everyone acting as one and improving together through friendly rivalry is what produces a truly good car. That is what we believe. That is Subaru's strength. In order to create a car that enriches the lives of all its passengers, smooth handling, a comfortable ride, linear and integrated steering, top-level safety, refined on every level. From now, for you and for everyone. There is no greater pleasure I can imagine than being able to offer you this Outback.
さあ、始まります。新しいアウトバックへようこそ。
Subaru